Welcome to the breathtaking Real Alcázar de Sevilla, a place where history meets beauty. Join us on this walking tour as we explore its stunning architecture and vibrant gardens. Just look at these amazing tiles. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the artistry and craftsmanship of a bygone era. You can feel the emotions seep through the centuries as you walk through these halls. Emotive, satisfaction, pleasure, happiness are power sensations. As we stroll through the gardens, take a moment to breathe in the fragrant blooms. The tranquility here is matched only by the joy that comes from being surrounded by such natural beauty. Every corner reveals a new treasure. These courtyards are not just beautiful, they evoke a sense of pleasure and happiness, reminding us of the power of art and nature to uplift our spirits. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the Real Alcázar de Sevilla. We hope you felt the magic, the satisfaction, and the happiness that this place brings. Until next time.